Po kayo? Ano center kay Nay? Wow, San Juan sila nanay oh. San Juan Center kay Nay?
Arka, akin na yung cellphone mo, malabang na.
San Juan Center pala kayo. Top seller kayo? Anong award nyo?
Outstanding, sir.
Outstanding ako, lady? Wow, ikaw? Wow, outstanding yan oh.
Years of service.
Umabot ka pa ng 10 years?
Yes.
Wow, 10 years po siya. Hello. How are you? Ano award mo, Nay?
25 years ko.
25 years? Wow. Binyan Center yan si Nanay. Eto, ano award mo?
Nakatayo sa labas, sir.
Ha?
Nakatayo sa labas. Arte!
Kamusta? Anong award mo?
No! Outstanding.
Wow.
Outstanding.
Outstanding. Wow, outstanding. Ito, anong award mo? 5 years?
Wala ko award, 5 years lang.
Wow, diba? Ang ganda ng mga Yakult Lady natin. Las Piñas Center to eh. Ito Molino.
Molino po ako.
Moleno?
Molino?
Bisaya eh.
Hindi.
Opo, namimigay po si Nanay. Ang bait po ni Nanay, namimigay. Thank you, Nay ha. Kaso Yakult tayo, ba't iba yung mga iniinom mo?
Hindi. Nakaubos na nga ako.
Nay, anong award mo?
Wala akong award, sir.
5 years?
10 years.
10 years. Te, ikaw?
Ako 5 years po, sir.
Wow, 5 years ka na.
Ay, ang atibas.
Ate Bas Cruz, ano award mo?
Ano award mo?
Oo. 15 years ka na? Okay. Palagay mo na dito, te. Pag nagutom ka, kainin mo.
Wala ako.
Oo. Hello, Nay. Anong award mo ngayon?
10 years award.
Wow, 10 years ka na? Wow, si Nanay Santa Rosa yan. 10 years. Ikaw, te.
Outstanding ka na, sir.
Outstanding. Wow, di ba? Ito yung mga taga Santa Rosa Center. Enjoy kayo ha.
Ayun po, sir.
Thank you.
The backbone of our success, whose tireless efforts and genuine smiles reach every corner, spreading health and happiness. Bless their paths, strengthen their resolve, and let Yakult represent. May this convention be a source of renewed inspiration, deeper connection, and a joyful dance towards an even brighter future. All for your greater glory. Amen. Ng Yakult, the Yakult Principles. Yakult Chirotaiza, and Yakult Slogan.
Ito'y aming karangalan, na kami tumutulong sa kalusugan at ligaya ng ating inang bayan. Kahit saan maririnig ang tinig ng aming awit, sa timog at hilaga kami handang maglingkod. Yan ang diwa ng Yakult, siyang tunay na diwa ng Yakult. Ang bituin at liwayway, sagisag ng sirota, sagisag ng ating layunin at pagkakaisa. Tayong lahat ay sumumpa, kapwa'y paglilingkuran, upang gabayan natin patuloy sa kaunlaran. Yan ang diwa ng Yakult, siyang tunay na diwa ng Yakult.
Incorporated, Mr. Yasuki Yukon.
At the man, he's become somewhat of a brother to me, him and his brother, Jonathan. Our Vice President of Yakult Philippines Incorporated, Mr. Michael Eric D.S. Apelario. Si Kuya Mike!
Kuya Mike in the house. Oh, ready na siya sumayaw. Sway na siya.
Napapasayaw siya sa'yo.
Parang in back. I love the energy. Okay, so here goes our Director and Corporate Treasurer, Miss Norma Edita On.
Wala. So, wala siyang raffle prize. Wala siyang raffle prize. Yes. Okay. Our Director and Corporate Controller, Mr. Yoichi Kawasaki.
I love that content. Sweet. Thank you, sir. How about our Director and Plant Manager of the Yakult Calamba Plant, Mr. Hidekazu Yoshihira.
Our manager of the Yakult El Salvador plant, Mr. Norio Leo.
Ano nga sa si sir?
Pero sila, our Japanese contemporaries, mas may energy sila. Guys, come on. Kita mo sila, gumagano sila.
So dapat hindi magpapatalo.
I saw Mr. Kawasaki, I saw you. A lot of energy, huh?
He
I
has
like
some
that.
moves. He
Yeah.
has some moves. I like it. Okay. Tingnan natin ang malupit na galawan ni Director of Yakult Philippines Incorporated, Mr. Alan Victor Dizon. Sana malupit na moves.
Wala siyang price. Wala siyang price. Our Corporate Secretary Attorney, Priscilla Zabaliero.
Para isa-isa ba natin tatawagin?
Pwede.
Or diretsuhin ka naman na lahat?
Slowly.
Okay. Let's go back on the first one once again. Micro, going back to our first group. So when I mentioned it, can you guys just give us a really, really loud cheer? Let's go back up.
Let's go back a bit.
Yes, let's go back. We have Micro Mid, right? Yes. Yeah, going back, yeah. Oh, there we go. Our Micro Mid Family Health Corporation. Where are you guys? Parang mahina. Oh, isa pa. One more. With matching sayaw. Let's hear it for Micro Mid Family Health Corporation. Ayun, better. How about Healthy Tummy Corporation? Ayun, ang saya-saya. Isabella Good Health Marketing Corporation. Pro Health Sales Distributor Corporation. Okay. Biomate Corporation. Yeah? Biomate in the house. And last but not the least, Benefit Sales Distributor Incorporated. Benefit!
Yes, Sulo.
Oh, yun.
O kasama naman natin yung mga taga Central Luzon na gaya ng Lacto B Incorporated. Oh, see? That's the energy. That's the energy we want.
Yan.
Supreme Health Marketing Incorporated. Yeah.
Yeah.
We hear you, kahit ilang kayo, 6, 7, yes.
Pwede. Saya.
Biotech Marketing Corporation. Yeah.
Wow!
Neo Corporation. At Shirota Marketing Corporation.
Alright. Palakpakan po natin ang ating mga Southern Luzon na pinamumunahan ng Bifino Health Marketing Corporation. Hi guys! Habang Vax Life Marketing Corporation. Oh, they're there. Actigen Marketing Corporation. Ay, lakas din ang energy nila. How about a big cheer from Symbiotic Marketing Corporation? Oh, isa pa lang na outfit. How about Microflora Health Marketing Corporation? Okay. And how about Palawan Ultra Health Marketing Incorporated? Palawan!
Mula naman sa Visayas, let's welcome Merchandise Distributor Incorporated. Good! I hear ya! Nice! Prebiotic Health Marketing Corporation.
Universe.
Oh, nagbibihis sila. Jomar and Health Marketing Incorporated. Henluz Corporation. At Galacto Marketing Corporation.
Love it. Nice one, everyone. At ito na, narito rin ang ating mga kayakot mula pa sa Mindanao. Let's all welcome Crest Health Distributor. Jens Bio Marketing Corporation. I like the sound of it. Pumps you up, right? Okay. How about Probiotics Health Marketing Incorporated?
Yun! What? Ang lakas nyo. Porkit si Bossing nasa harap nyo.
Oy, ginaling niya. Very good. How about Lacto Frontier Sales Distributor Incorporated? Yeah. Please stand up, LCS Caraga Distributor Incorporated. At isang malakas na kempat, Biolactis Marketing Corporation. Oh, ayun. And last but not the least, Lactobacillus Corporation.
Hindi tayo. Siyempre, hindi naman pauhuli ang ating mga Yakult ladies mula sa Yakult Marketing Corporation.
Okay.
Oh,
There you are. Ay, naka-silver flag sila. Represent! Go, mga kababaihan! Alright, well represented ang ating mga centers, ang ating iba't ibang sectors. So, let's hear the North Sector!
as a North Sector.
North!
Ito, tatalunin ito. Hindi magpapatalo ito. Let's listen to the East Sector. Go East Sector!
There!
Natalo kayo. Ano nangyari sa inyo?
Kain pa more. Bumibili rin ang mga taga West Sector! Hey!
Ayun!
Ayun, oh.
Lakas na West Sector! Oh, isang malakas na kembot, isang malakas na kembot. Heto ang mga taga South Sector! Yeah!
Ayan. O ito, palpakan po natin ulit ang ating mga Yakult dealers and centers. Palpakan na dyan. You're rocking the house and we are just getting started.
Just getting started here.
Diba? Warm up pa lang yun.
You know,
Yakult Philippine Board of Directors, headed by its President, Mr. Alberto Ardizon, beloved Yakult ladies, esteemed provincial distributors and partners, colleagues, and dear friends. Maganda, mainit na hapon po sa inyong lahat. Welcome to the Yakult National Dealers Convention. Today marks truly a significant occasion as we gather not only to reaffirm our unity and shared purpose, but also to honor your exceptional efforts in advancing Yakult's mission of promoting gut health and vitality across the Philippines. Your dedication continues to bring Yakult closer to every Filipino home, and for that, we are deeply grateful. Our theme this year, Sway to Success, Dancing with the Stars, beautifully captures the spirit of our collective journey. Like dancers moving in harmony, each of you has shown balance in your strategies, grace in your service, and remarkable agility in responding to the ever-changing needs of our customers. You truly embody the perfect partners for this grand performance. Because of your unwavering commitment, your early mornings, your tireless dedication, and your steadfast belief in the value of our unique product, Yakult Philippines has achieved the highest sales record in our history. This milestone is more than just a commercial achievement. It symbolizes the trust of millions of Filipinos who choose Yakult as a partner in their pursuit of better health. This remarkable accomplishment stands as a testament to the passion, perseverance, and unity to our entire Yakult family. Kayo po ang tunay na bituin ng tagumpay na ito. Every bottle delivered, every new household reached, and every customer served with sincerity contributed to this shining achievement. You have proven that when we move together with its purpose and compassion, guided by science and strengthened by our mission, we can achieve exceptional results. Our commitment, however, extends beyond sales and service. As a responsible corporate citizen, Yakult Philippines continues to advance efforts towards environmental sustainability. Through initiatives aimed at reducing our carbon footprint and integrating eco-friendly practices across our operations. We move closer to our long-term vision of protecting the environment for future generations. At ang bawat dealer na nakikibahagi sa mga pagsisikap na ito ay may mahalagang ambag sa ating collective responsibility. As we look forward, this convention is dedicated to preparing for the next steps in our shared journey. In the coming days, we will participate in activities focused on innovation, exchange best practices that elevates customer experience, and refine the strategies that will guide our continued growth. Through these efforts, we aim to strengthen our capacity to make an even greater impact on the lives of the communities we serve. May this convention remind us of what we can accomplish when we remain aligned. When we sway to the rhythm of excellence, innovation, and dedicated service. Together, let us continue to shine brighter, reach higher, and inspire more Filipinos towards better health and a stronger future. on behalf of Yakult Management, thank you for your trust, your loyalty, and your unwavering commitment. We take great pride in your achievements, and we look forward with optimism to the remarkable heights we will reach in the years ahead. Welcome once again, and may you all have a meaningful and energizing convention. Let us keep dancing towards even greater success. Thank you. Magandang hapon po ulit sa inyo.
Assistant Delivery Yakult Lady Awardees as we flash the names on the screen. We are very proud of your extraordinary achievement.
Nasaan po yung mga Assistant Yakult Lady Awardees? Kaway-kaway! Ipatayo lang po tayo. Payan-payan sa camera, ang tawag ng mga naman ko.
Congratulations to all our consistent Delivery Yakult Lady
Our very first award for the afternoon.
The 5-year Yakult Ladies Delivery Service Award. That's 5 years of early mornings, Josh. 5 years of smiles. 5 years of making a difference, rain or shine. Kaya naman get ready to meet our consistent, dedicated, and truly inspiring Yakult ladies. Let's hear it for them.
So this afternoon, let us call on stage the Sales Department Manager of Yakult Marketing Corporation, Mr. Benji Austria Jr., and Yakult Marketing Corporation President, Mr. Takayuki Erose.
And to represent the 5-year Yakult Lady Delivery Service Awardess is Amelita Damos from Fairview Center.
Delivery Service Awardees, maaari po ba kayong tumayo para ma-recognize as we flash your names on the screen? Kaway-kaway po lahat ng 5-year Service Awardees. awardees. Mr. Austria and Mr. Erosa, please remain on stage. And ngayon naman, bibigyan natin ng parangal ang ating mga 10-year Yakult Lady Delivery Service awardees.
Ang 10-year Yakult Lady Delivery Service Award is a special recognition na ikinagawad sa mga Yakult ladies who have demonstrated a decade of unwavering dedication and commitment to their role.
Tama.
Wow, ganda naman. Very 70s. 70s ba yan? 70s.
Yes, power, power.
Wow. Parang nakita ko si Beyonce suit yung
Aba, true.
di ba? Oh, yung pang-apat po natin. Pang-apat. From Davao Center. Pangalan niya po ay si Sherry Denosta. Ah, sparkles.
Oh, wow, parang disco ball.
Ah, parang this.
Ano ba? Magkakasilaw. So, Ana Bielsa.
That's 3.